Your professional technician is ready and able to provide you with heating, cooling, or plumbing repairs and installations you would expect from a company that has been serving your community with quality care for decades.
Whether we are there to repair your air conditioner, replace your furnace, or provide you with the ultimate 15-point tune-up and safety inspection, you can rest assured that we have the experience to do it right the first time. Our team of technicians, salespeople, customer service personnel, and management are here every day for one reason: to make sure your home comfort system works the way that it should every day of the year. We think of it as a privilege to be welcomed into the homes that we service, and the homeowner trusts us to do the job at a fair price. It's what we do. We also offer indoor air quality services such as whole house air cleaners, humidity control, and ultraviolet air purifying systems. We have experts on hand to help you make the right decision for your home.